Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. We can uninstall applications on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly from the watch, and the second way is to do it through the phone application. First I'm gonna show you how to do it through the watch, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the application on the phone. Okay, so let's continue. Now, to remove the applications from the watch directly, we need to open the menu by pressing and holding the up button. Scroll through this menu, find the option called Activities and Apps, and tap on it. Here we need to scroll through the list, find the icon of the app we want to remove and select it. Let's say we want to remove the calculator. Then once you select it, press the start button, and here find the option called Delete from Device and tap on it. Then confirm by pressing the start button and the app will be removed from the watch. If you scroll down, it's no longer on the list. That's how you remove the apps directly on the watch or from the watch. Now to do it through the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone. And once it is, I also recommend to install the Connect IQ Store application because it makes managing of applications and watch faces a lot easier. And once you open the app, you can tap on Device, tap on My Device Apps, and here you have the list of applications that basically are installed on our watch. And we can tap on the app, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, and tap on Uninstall, and tap on Uninstall. And the app will be removed, and if you go to your watch, open the favorites, the app will be gone from your watch. And then of course you can close the Connect IQ application. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.